Okay, so what we're going to do today is take the mufflers off. That's some bad editing there. Anyways, here's the bracket that holds the mufflers, and there's 3 bolts. I don't know how well you can see it, but they're right in through here. Right in through there. I took those 3 bolts off already. The only other thing I have to take off now is this clamp here. Take these off, slide that way a little bit, and this whole muffler will come down. So all I've had to do is take off the back wheels, and it's going to be a collection of 5 bolts, and I should have that muffler off. Okay, all the clamps are off now, off of here. This little clamp here, and those 3 bolts are off. So all I need to do now is grab onto the muffler and just wiggle it back and forth. That's off, and I can just let it drop, come towards the wheel a little bit, what would be the wheel if it was on, and let it come straight down. Okay, pulling that out of the way. Whoops. And that is the muffler removed. Just the left side. I didn't have any rusted bolts. Muffler clamps were a little rusted, but anyways, I'm gonna get this to the shop, have them weld that exhaust tip from here, and then cut into up there to make that do the gundo hack. Okay, so now I got my mufflers back from the muffler shop. And I have to say that's probably the worst job of welding I've ever seen on anything. But as long as it's solid, I guess, and not leaking is what counts. So it's real easy to put back in. It's a 5-minute process. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do now.